What are the physical, psychological, and behavioral symptoms of stress?
So I mentioned this earlier when we went through all the health problems. Those, all of those are symptoms of stress. Yes, they do have other components to them. Heart disease isn't entirely stress related, and it's a symptom of stress. I mean, there's many causes for cancer, and a weakened immune system helps a cancer grow. And so all of the maladies that we struggle with, whether they're physical, psychological, or behavioral, are stress related, but not caused by stress. And so I don't rule out anything. I mean, I don't, if something is out of balance for somebody, see, this goes back to our thoughts about balance. Anytime the body is out of balance, which is entirely the case when we're in chronic stress, every cell, every tissue, every organ, every bit of the body is out of balance in chronic stress, in the stress response. And so whatever happens as a result of that imbalance could be anything, from depression to headaches to back pain to muscle pain. I mean, I've worked with a lot of people who have fibromyalgia, and once they learned how to meditate, their fibromyalgia went away. I worked with people who have headaches. Once they figured out how to relax deeply, their headaches go away and they don't come back. And so the answer to the question is all of the symptoms that could happen when we're out of balance are symptoms of stress, not caused by, but symptomatic of. And so it's all, okay, what can we do to get back in balance? Excuse me.
What a great answer. I almost want you to say that again, because that makes so much sense. We don't have to look at it from, oh, are these physical symptoms a sign of stress? Is this psychological symptom a sign of stress? Because I say that again, that makes so much sense, just about being in balance.
So, sure, I can say it again. I'll try. So the entire physiology, and I think psychology, the emotional state, when we're out of balance, when we're in the chronic stress state, or even in short-term stress state, but it's not problematic if it's just acute stress. If we just see a snake and then we run and then it's over. But whenever we're out of balance, every part of the body, and an out of balance tissue results in health problems, whether that's kidneys or liver, I mean, pancreas. I think if the body is trying to run from a bear, it's producing a physiology that's different than sitting still and being safe.
Yeah.
And so
the body wants homeostasis. The body wants balance.
Yeah.
And if we can focus on our interpretation of events, we can decrease stress and help bring our body back to that state of balance.
That's the whole, I mean, stress management is entirely about going from chronic stress to rest and repair. And
rest and repair is balance. I like that.
That's balance, yeah.
Yeah.
That's when we heal.
Yeah, that's so great.